Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
A. Rectangular solid 1 has the smallest amount of plasma membrane per volume of cytoplasm because it possesses the lowest surface area to volume SAV ratio of 5.00. B.
As the dimensions of the solids change to become flatter or more elongated, e.g. as height decreases while volume remains constant, the SAV ratio increases. C. The hypothesis is supported by data. Cells 1 and 2 have lower SAV ratios, which limits the rate of material exchange with the environment. This is advantageous for slow metabolism and long-term storage where rapid transport is unnecessary. Conversely, cells 4 and 5 have higher ratios, facilitating the rapid exchange required for higher metabolic rates. D. Some cells include a corresponding large increase in volume. This maximizes the SAV ratio, allowing for highly efficient exchange of nutrients and waste across the plasma membrane, a trend supported